So I'm going to shake my head back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the XROUND AERO True Wireless Earbuds. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see the retail box and packaging right here, where we have a nice little graphic at the top as well. And we can't forget the bottom. So we got the AERO True Wireless Earbuds and unleash the freedom of sound right there. On the back, we can go over some of the tech specs: Bluetooth 5.0, IP54 rated, spin fit, ergonomic, comfortable, specially designed earbud tips to fit in your ear and provide you with maximum comfort. XROUND low latency. We're showing extremely low latency up to 50 milliseconds, provides competitive gaming, video watching, and music listening experiences without lagging. We have a quick option to switch between gaming and music mode. We can easily switch between those scenarios. Dual mic noise reduction for superior premium call quality. We can also customize our music if we download the XROUND MyTune app to change EQ settings and get full control over our earbuds. And then we have the XROUND Lite surround sound system. This is a patented signal processing algorithm that gives you the most immersive sound experience to enjoy while gaming, watching videos, and listening to music. Also, if you're in the market for some gaming earbuds and you need to get a Bluetooth transmitter, go ahead, check out the XT01. Easily connect your AERO earbuds with your PS4, your PS5, and your Nintendo Switch. So keep that in mind, an optional accessory. You guys should check that out as well. Now let's go ahead, let's open up the earbuds and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, you can see we have a quick start guide right here walking us through first time use setup instructions. Remove the stickers on the earbuds, place them in the charging case, and close the charging case when both earbuds LEDs turn orange. Then go ahead, open the charging case. The earbuds automatically enter pairing mode and flash orange and white. Then on your Bluetooth device, just select XROUND AERO from your device listings right there, and then you can go ahead and connect to it to finish pairing, and you're all set and ready to go. So very nice that they have that. We also have a full user guide and manual right here in multiple languages. Next up, you can see we have our noise isolating ear tips in small and large. Let's go ahead, let's take some of those out. So you can see what those look like right here. Then we have our Spin Fit Ultimate silicone ear tips. Let's check those out. Designed with your ear comfort in mind. You can see a couple of them right here. We have 3 different sizes. Going to be your small, medium, and large. Check those out though, pretty cool. Look very similar to these in design, but definitely a lot softer. You can see the inside too. So a couple different options for you. You'll be able to find something that fits your ears best. Next, you can see we have a USB to USB Type-C charging cable, followed by our charging case and the earbuds themselves right here. So check them out. You can see all the different sizes. There's our USB Type-C charging port. Good size. We have our LED indicator lights right here, 4 of them for the battery life. XROUND logo and branding at the top. We can open it up to reveal the earbuds right there. Check that out. Left and right clearly marked for you. We have the AERO logo and branding at the top of the case too. Everything looks great. Let's go ahead. Let's take the earbuds out right now. And they do have a magnetic case, so they just snap right back in. Check out those earbuds. Already have tips installed on them. Clearly marked left and right. They look identical to each other. Got the XROUND logo and branding on them. Charging contacts. There they are from the top. You can see our indicator light right there, flashing on both of them. Now let's go ahead, guys. Let's go over the controls. So we can learn about the controls from our user guide and manual. You can see multiple languages right here. Everything we need though is at our fingertips. Very helpful. So in regards to powering on and off, the earbuds actually turn on automatically if you open up the charging case, and they turn off automatically if you place the earbuds back into the charging case. You can also long press the touch panel for 2 seconds to power on the earbuds. In regards to pairing, we already went over the instructions, but if you ever need to repair the earbuds, guys, very simple and straightforward. To reset pairing mode, place the earbuds in the charging case and long press the function button for 3 seconds. So we have our function button right there. Hold that down for 3 seconds to repair your earbuds. They also feature gesture control, which is really cool. So to turn on and off surround sound, tap and hold the left touch panel, you can see, for 2 seconds, and then release when the earbuds beep. We can also switch to music and gaming mode very quickly by tapping and hold the right touch panel for 2 seconds and release when you hear the beeps. In regards to music, play or pause by double tapping the touch panels on either earbud. If you want to go to the next and previous songs, you'll be using the left earbud. So swipe the touch panel upward to go to the previous song. Then you can swipe the touch panel downward to go to the next song. You can control the volume settings by using the right earbud and the same command. So if we want the volume down, swipe the touch panel downward. If you want the volume up, swipe the touch panel upwards. Couple more controls on the back to go over. Phone calls, you can see we can use these to make and take phone calls. Double tap the touch panel to answer a call. Double tap the touch panel to end a call. Long hold the touch panel for 2 seconds until you hear the call rejected. So you can do that as well. Activate the voice commands in the XROUND app if required. So that should be determined through the mobile app. You can get a list of the audio prompts. Factory reset as well. Place both earbuds in the charging case and long press the function button for 10 seconds. There you go. Follow the prompts too until the orange and white earbud lights blink, signaling the earbuds are reset. Charging instructions as well with a nice breakdown of the battery status level indicators. So you can see that right there. All 4 lit up between 75 and 100%. 3 lit up 50 to 75, 2 25 to 50, and 1 light you have 1 to 25% remaining right there. A couple more tech specs for you, safety and warranty information as well. Now let's go ahead, let's try the earbuds on. So you can see I have the earbuds in my ears right now. Very happy with how they look, super comfortable and very lightweight. So they're lightweight, they fit great in there. They just rest right in your ear. They got a nice fit and design. They just go really nicely in your ear. That's the best way I can explain it. So just how it's angled and everything else, they fit right in and they stay great too. So you shouldn't have any issues with the fit there. Let's go ahead, let's conduct our shake test. So I'm gonna shake my head back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and they're not going to budge at all. So if you wanna use these to work out, go on a run, you can expect them to stay in your ear the whole time. Now let's go ahead, let's connect them to our mobile device. So to get everything paired, you can see we have the earbuds in the case right now. The case is opened and our lights are flashing white and orange. We have our Bluetooth settings pulled up right here in our mobile device. You can see other devices, XROUND AERO. We can go ahead, we can select that. And now we successfully connected to the device right here. You can see at the bottom of the device list, there it is, our connected device, XROUND AERO. So there we go, it's that simple. Now let's go ahead, let's get the app downloaded and let's connect them to our mobile device using the app. So we have the XROUND MyTune app downloaded on our mobile device now. We still have our earbuds connected, so you can see they're showing up on the app right here. At this stage, guys, you can either sign in and create an account, or you can just skip ahead to the screen without creating an account. But this is the screen you're gonna be at. Again, if your device isn't connected, you'll have to go ahead, select add a device at the bottom. It'll walk you through Bluetooth setup instructions. Then you can come back into the app, select your device, and you're ready to customize the settings. So first up right here, you can see we can edit the name if we want. We can see our left and right earbud and their battery levels. Let's go into it right now. You can see this is the app with everything we can customize. First, in the top right-hand corner, we have the settings gear icon. We can turn our side tone on or off. Then we have our gesture control buttons right here. We can configure these. So you can see we can do triple tap if we want. And then we could add voice commands. We can modify all the other buttons as well too, if you want to set them for different controls. So very nice. All the different options that we have right there. Super cool that we can customize these or go back to default settings. Next up, you can see we're back to the main screen. We have music mode. We also have gaming mode. You can see we can customize these however we want, depending on what we're listening to. Here's all the different preset options right here too. So you can see there's default. We can save, reset. There's a retest option too. Share these with a QR code. Then we have the XROUND Lite surround sound. 2 different levels, and we can turn it off. So that's all the customization features we get. We can see the same for gaming mode as well. Same options, and then our XROUND Lite surround sound. So really cool that we can customize the bass, the mid, and the treble for the earbuds and quickly toggle between music mode and gaming mode. So now you can see I got the binaural microphone set up right now with the earbuds connected. This is going to give you the best listening experience to sample the sound quality for yourself and your audio needs. So we have a sample song playing right now. Let's go ahead, let's listen in on the default setting, and then we'll change it through some of the other customization options. Now let's go ahead and let's try out gaming mode. So with gaming mode turned on, I'm gonna play a video clip of me playing Fortnite and you guys can listen in to see how everything sounds. Then we'll go ahead, we'll toggle back and forth between game mode and not game mode so you guys can get a feel for the improvements that it makes. Now I'm going to turn on the surround sound to level 1. Level 2. And back off. Now we're back into music mode. And now we're back into gaming mode.
Now I'm testing out the built-in mic quality right here, guys, of the XROUND AERO True Wireless Earbuds. Listen to how everything sounds, guys. This is your raw, unedited sample audio. So I'm going to go ahead. We're going to clap while we're talking just to make some noise. We're going to bang around on the table, too, just so you guys can hear what it sounds like. We're going to cover our ears as well. We're going to release one of our hands over our ear. We're going to do that again. We're going to remove the other one. Now both are back out. Let's go and let's take one earbud away. Let's bring it all the way around in front and let's bring it back into our ear. Let's do the same thing for the other side. Here we go, all the way out, and it's coming back in. Now let's go ahead and let's take both out. Let's bring them all the way around and let's bring them back in. So this has been your raw audio mic test.
So let me share with you guys my final thoughts after using the XROUND AERO True Wireless Earbuds. First, I'm really impressed with the customization options we get within the mobile app. Very nice to have all those different presets and the fact that we can customize some ourselves depending on, our preferences. So say you're a sound snob, an audiophile, you know what you want and how you want things to sound. You can use those little sliders to drag and drop them and get them in the right place for the content you're consuming with your mobile device and listening to with these earbuds. Also, it's cool to have the music mode split up versus the game mode. So if you're in the gaming world and you want to do some mobile gaming on the go, throw these in your bag and you can turn that mode on and then you're all set and you're off to the races to have that low latency performance. So you don't miss that kill, you don't miss that dub, the chicken dinner, all that good stuff. Lastly though, my favorite feature by far is definitely the surround sound mode. So the XROUND Lite surround sound is a fantastic feature because honestly, as I was listening back to these earbuds in music mode, I just felt like the sound was just, you know, kind of underwhelming for sure. It just wasn't rich or full to me. But as soon as I turned the surround sound feature on, bumped it up to level 2, I noticed a huge difference. I just really like the rich and full sound. Some people might not like that. It might be too overwhelming, but you can configure it how you want, right? Turn it off, put it on level 1, put it on level 2, or customize through those different presets. For me, I like stuff automated. I like the rich, full sound, so I'm team level 2 all the way. But overall, guys, it's a good experience. They sound just fine. Obviously, you got to make that decision for yourself and your needs and if they're going to work for you. We sampled the mic quality too. I would say the mic actually performed a little bit better than I was expecting. Typically, I don't ask for much in earbud microphones. I just feel like this quality definitely fell towards the top of the pack in regards to mic quality, which is a good thing if you're, in the market for a pair of earbuds that give you all those great customization features, but you also want to use it to make and take phone calls. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.